All right, guys, in this video, we're going to go ahead and review Recruitemy's reviews online, reviews on me, Russell Liebowitz. And I've always heard, never trust a man who has a mini Pomeranian in his hand. Just kidding, I've never heard that before. Let's get our coffee. I'm going to jump into the reviews, go over the negative reviews, because that's exactly what you'd want to see. I'd want to see that if I'm going to make an investment in a service or a product. So very candid video here, very honest, transparent video is my intention to get across. Let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so the first review site that I want to jump into, the most common one for people in my space, online coaches, services, is going to be Trustpilot. So let's go ahead and jump in there right now and take a look. All right, here we are, trustpilot.com. I'm going to go ahead and type in Recruitemy. And there we go. So we got a 4.0 rating right now, which I am happy about. That is considered great. And what I'm going to do here is just scroll down and go over some of these reviews. Now, I want to start with the negative ones because that's what people really seem to focus on and care about. And no judgment there. I pretty much do the same thing if I'm going to buy a product or a service. So let's go down to the first negative review. This was in 2024, July 13th. Member was Natasha Voss. Let's see what she said. Joined Recruitemy based on Russell Liebowitz's YouTube videos, expecting a sophisticated strategy. Program cost $10,000. By the way, that varies the price. It can be less depending on what you're looking for. And you're required to use his LinkedIn cold messaging software and CRM for additional $300 per month. That's not the case anymore, by the way, which is significantly overpriced compared to the $69 tool I previously used. I'm not sure what tool that Natasha uses, but that's okay. My goals were clear: to get expert guidance on past practices and access a proven process. Unfortunately, the reality was very different. The method revolves around sending automated cold emails followed by personalized recorded videos. When I asked for detailed advice, the responses were vague and unhelpful, often limited to sure, maybe try it. The program lacks depth and actionable content, making it feel like a superficial approach rather than a comprehensive strategy. It also became apparent that many other members were not seeing the expected results either. When concerns were raised, there was an atmosphere of discouragement and even threats for speaking up. I don't recall that at all. Based on my experience, I strongly advise potential clients to carefully evaluate whether this program truly offers the value and support it promises. Initial afraid, I'm pretty sure this marketing bro has not been a recruiter for long. Oh, the word lie seems to be a central word dictating one's path. Don't be fooled, buyer beware. I'm not sure what that part means. Okay. Anyways, I did respond here. So Natasha, I don't really remember that much, to be honest. I'm trying to bring back this case. I do remember that Natasha was very close friends with this next negative review, which is what I do clearly remember and want to get out in front of and be very transparent on, and obviously have some regrets here. So Spiro was his name. And I think that Natasha and Spiro were working together on getting negative reviews out there on my company, which is understandable. I'm not here to fault them or judge them. People, it's a free world and we can express our thoughts online. But what I wanted to do in this video is be able to talk to some of these negative reviews. I just don't remember a lot about Natasha, but I do remember a lot about Spiro. Okay, Spiro put a negative review on here, a very detailed negative review. Spiro is a very intelligent man, as I remember. Very business savvy, entrepreneurial spirit. I think he was in the IT space, owned an IT company. I'm not going to go through this entire review. You can read it on your own. But he was very upset with the way I conducted myself with him. He felt like he was under-delivered with the products after he purchased. And here's what I'll say about this experience with Spiro. I take responsibility here. If I could turn the clock back, I would have done things a lot different to October 1st, 2024. I was pretty overwhelmed at that time, and I didn't have a good support staff in place internally with Recruitemy. I was doing everything on my own, building the company. And so, yeah, Spiro did not get the attention, the personal attention from me that he certainly deserved. And I remember just getting to a point of overwhelm. I was working Monday through Friday, putting in 12-hour days, and then trying to catch up on a Saturday and Sunday with business and never having a day for myself. And shame on me for not scaling my business properly. It definitely affected a few members, Spiro being one of them. So I want to say, and I did tell Spiro, I apologize, and actually offered Spiro money back from the program because this was wrong of me to do. And I did reply to Spiro here, but as I sit here today, 2026 of May, looking back, I should have handled this a lot differently. And I do apologize to Spiro. And it really came down to me not having the right time capacity and the resources in place internally to properly give someone like Spiro my personal attention week in and week out. Shame on me. And Spiro, I do appreciate you expressing yourself online. And again, if you're watching, I do apologize for the experience that you had. All right, let's go up. We have, I guess those are only 2 negative reviews that I see on here. The rest are positive reviews, which you guys can go through and read on your own. Just go to Trustpilot. Oh yeah, here's one. This happened recently in 2026. So I don't really consider this something that's that impactful. It's kind of, I'm upset this person put this on here. First of all, I don't know who this is. No clue who Tunij, I can't pronounce the last name, Ajala. But basically it looks like he was upset, he or she was upset because we did not schedule a consultation call to informing him what Recruitemy is to go forward. The reason why we didn't do that was because we have a application process in place when you opt in for more information. And if you indicate that you aren't looking to make an investment in a program or that you're not looking to start right away, then you don't meet with me and the team. That's just like our process to save everybody time. So this person was upset that they did not get a chance to meet with us. I just don't see that as a negative review, to be honest, but he went ahead and posted. I can't do anything about it. So he posted that on here, and there you have that. I don't know who that is, by the way. But yeah, and the rest are positive. So all good there on Trustpilot. Let's go into Better Business Bureau and see what our rating is today. Okay, let me go ahead and type in, oh wait, I think this is down here. Oh no, it doesn't say. All right, let me type in Recruitemy. There we go. All right, so Recruitemy, it usually gives a rating on here. Let me move my face. BB credit. Yeah, here we go. A+ rating. That's awesome. So I think that's always been the case, but fantastic. Really proud of that. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure that there's some positive reviews on here that you can read that aren't on Trustpilot. Olympia is an amazing member. I don't know why they blur those things out. Maybe it's a name. But anyways, going down. Oh, I guess that's it. So I do remember Spiro putting a negative review on here, but I don't see it right now. I would show it to you guys if I could find it. Complaints. Let's see what this says. Okay. Initial complaint. I don't know who this is. I think this might be Spiro. Yeah, it's going back to 2024. This is Natasha or Spiro on here, but it's not saying their name. I don't know why. Yeah. So then this is us going back and forth on the complaint, me answering it, etc. So I have to assume this is Spiro and Natasha as well because of the dates on here back in 2024. It looks very, so these are my responses going back and forth. So yeah, nothing new here from a negative review standpoint. The last thing I'll jump into, I don't know how to use this site that well, but it's Reddit. I've heard there's reviews on Reddit. Oh my gosh, there we go, Michael Jackson. Let me type in Recruitemy and let me just see what comes up here. I'm trying to give you guys everything that I could think of for reviews for me. Let's see. I don't know, guys. I put in Recruitemy, but it's saying recruiting. Let me put my name in and see if that brings it up. Russell Liebowitz. Okay. Yeah. So I can't find it. I feel like a while back I found something about Recruitemy on here where people just were like asking if it's legit. I remember that. But if you guys are better at Reddit, please go in here and dig as much as you can and comment on this YouTube video below. If you find something, paste it. That's fine with me. I don't see anything on here. That's not me, by the way, about Recruitemy. I don't know, post. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know. So anyways, there you have it, guys. I wanted to give you a honest, transparent review of myself, of Recruitemy. Get out in front of it. If you're doing research on us, that's where you can go. I would definitely always go to Trustpilot or BBB as the most reliable sources. And if you have any questions for me, feel free to put it in the comments below. And if you do want to move forward and meet with myself or my team and really understand what Recruitemy can do for you, just click the link below and schedule a call with us as well. Thank you so much.